Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a new passport cover to replace this old one. We're going on a trip to Europe this fall for our friend's wedding and it will be the first time leaving the country since the pandemic began, so we're very excited. I'm using the old passport cover as a template and I also want to reuse as much of it as I can in this project. Don't worry if you don't have an old cover to go off of. I'll be showing all of my measurements as we go along. The passport cover template that I made was 6 inches wide by 9 inches long. I'm reusing the cardboard from my original cover. There are 4 pieces each measuring 5 inches by 4 inches. Thin cardboard from a cereal box would work well for this. The little slit that holds the passport in place was about 6 inches on the long side, 3 inches wide, and 5 inches on the short side. I folded my fabric in half to cut 2 pieces of the holder and 2 of the slit. These are all the pieces you should have: 2 cover pieces, 2 slit pieces, 4 cardboard pieces, 1 plastic piece the same size as the cardboard, and a small piece of interfacing for the middle of the holder. I forgot to include the cardboard pieces for the slit, but you'll need 2 of those as well. Fold and iron all of the raw edges in slightly, only about 1/4 of an inch or so. Pin the slit pieces together with the 2 pieces of cardboard in between. Sew this together. Take your time with this. I had my sewing machine on the slowest setting. I made a small piece to cover the raw edge of the plastic by cutting a 1-inch piece the same length as it. I then ironed this in half, opened it and ironed both sides to the center, ironed again, then sewed this to the plastic piece. I placed the cardboard and interfacing on one of the cover pieces and pinned the other piece on top, making sure the edges lined up neatly. I then pinned the slit piece and the plastic piece in place. I had also put a cute little tag in the edge, but you'll see that I had to take it out because I forgot I'll be adding bias tape around the edge of this project. To make the bias tape, I cut the fabric on the bias, which is basically the stretchiest part of the fabric, from corner to corner. And I cut a long 1.5 inch wide strip. I ironed this the same way as the strip from earlier, folding it in half and ironing, and then opening it and folding it into the center and ironing again. I then pinned this along the outer edge of the cover and re-added my little tag to the project. I sewed the bias tape to the edge, making sure everything still lined up as I went along. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you end up making your own passport cover. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Bye for now!